crafters, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be making a magnetic felt bow. You can use this as a cute way to hang papers. Now let's get to it.
The materials you'll need for this craft are 2 different colors of felt, a magnet, a piece of ribbon, ruler, pen, and scissors. The first thing you're going to want to do is cut out your felt. Now I'm using a plain piece of felt and then a printed piece of felt. You can use whatever colors you want. I suggest using 2 different colors or a plain and a patterned. I've already pre-cut my pieces, but just to show you, you would be using your ruler and your scissor and your pen to cut out your pieces. Whichever piece you want on the bottom is going to be your larger piece, and that's going to be 2.5 by 4.5 inches, and then the piece to put on top would be 2 inches by 4 inches. So I'm just going to lay the smaller piece on top of the larger piece, and then to tie the ribbon I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to pinch it together in the middle of the bow. And then I'm going to fold the edges out a little bit, and then just with my thumb and my forefinger, I'm just going to pinch it like that and try to make sure that it's right in the center of the bow. And then I'm going to take my ribbon. The ribbon, I'm using about 20 inches, and I'll probably cut it at the end just so the edges are even. But I'm just going to drape the ribbon over the center of the bow, and I'm going to take one side of it and I'm just going to wrap it around the bow, and then I'm going to take the other side of the ribbon and wrap that around, and then I'm going to take where the ribbons meet down here at the bottom, I'm just going to tie my bow. So I lay that down and just tie a knot here with the ribbon, and I'm going to pull that tight, and that's just going to hold our felt together. And then before you tighten it too much, this is the time that you want to just kind of straighten out your bow. Just make sure that it's laying nicely, and then you can make sure it's in the middle where you want it, and then you can pull that a little tighter, and then I would tie another knot in it so it stays. Tie that, and then just pull your ribbons down like this, and then you can see they're a little uneven, so I'm just going to take my scissor and I'm just going to snip the edges a little bit just to make those a little more even. And then I'm going to turn my bow over and put my magnet on. Now I have a magnet that you just peel the backing off, and it has sticky stuff on it, so I can just stick it on. You may need to glue yours, but you're just going to put that right on the back in the middle and just press it down good so it stays, and then it's ready to hang.
And that is how you make a magnetic felt bow. If you enjoyed this craft, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you, Crazy Crafters, for tuning in. We'll hope to see you next time. Bye!